Hello and Happy New Year from SB Evolution Landscape. Hi, my name is Jorge Cortez and I'm the owner. I'm in beautiful Alice Keck Park Memorial Garden in Santa Barbara today. There's no denying that 2020 was a tough year for everyone, but what better way to start fresh and reflect on all that we have learned by taking the opportunity to see 2021 as a new beginning. And because we deal in all things landscape, we want to help you make some resolutions for your property. Here are 5 things you can do to set your landscape up for success this year. Number 1, check your irrigation system for leaks and other issues. You're not watering as much these days, so this is a good time to make repairs before the hot weather returns. Number 2, prune your deciduous plants. Many trees and shrubs are dormant now, so January and February is optimal for shaping and controlling their size, especially roses. Don't prune anything that's in bloom though. Number 3, start that vegetable garden. We all resolve to eat better, get healthier. What better way to make it fun by growing our own food this summer? Get your seeds and start them indoors. Number 4, groom the lawn. A dormant lawn responds well to mowing and edging, especially because you can enjoy the result of your hard work for longer. Look for and spot tree emergent weeds while you're at it. Number 5, establish a vision. What is it you truly want to see in your outdoor living spaces this year? Give us a call at 805-453-9551 and we'll show you how we can bring your ideas to life. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please call, text, or email me. I would love to do more videos helping and explaining all things landscape to my amazing Santa Barbara and surrounding communities we serve. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.